Adding text and heading styles. When adding text, you can use a template layout as a guide, like the basic page template, for example, or you can start from scratch. If you are starting from scratch, use the available controls to apply a uniform heading structure. Whether your students are sighted or using assistive technology, it is important to organize your information in a hierarchical manner. When encountering a lengthy Word document, sighted users often scroll the page quickly and look for big, bold text, or headings, to get an idea of its structure and content. Screen reader and other assistive technology users also have the ability to navigate Word documents by heading structure if heading styles are used correctly. In the toolbar, you have the Format section, which are for heading styles. Here is an example of how text hierarchy should be structured. Heading 1 is usually a page title or a main content heading. It is the most important heading, and there is generally just one. Heading 2 is usually a major section heading. Heading 3 is usually a subsection of Heading 2. Heading 4 is usually a subsection of the Heading 3, and so on, ending with Heading 6. Always use the Format option on the toolbar for your heading styles. Do not use the text formatting, such as bold, italic, or underline, to establish text hierarchy. Assistive technology, such as screen readers, cannot infer meaning from visual text changes alone.